Today I have the master cook chefs, Chef Wezi and Chef Fanny. It's in my kitchen at the Kentwood address. I'm also excited with what I'm actually preparing for them. I'm actually going to prepare fish in coconut sauce served with some ugali and some sukuma wiki. So I'm also excited to find out what they have prepared so that we actually taste and compare notes about our different flavors and cultures.
Most interesting thing about Kenya is the food. Quite similar with Zambian food, but a little bit of a difference, I would say, because one food that I found similar to Zambian food is the ugali. In Zambia, we call it nshima, and it's actually the staple food of Zambia.
Master cook coming to Kenya, it's a big deal because my passion has always been about seeing the chef profession grow and blossom to its full potential. And when we actually did the preliminaries here in Kenya, I actually saw that there's a lot of talent.
I want people, especially the youth, to harness their potential. A lot of people look down on cooking in Africa, especially where I come from in Zambia. They always think it's domestic work.
Master cook, it's all about let African food, African ingredients shine. Here in Kenya, I want to see somebody come up with an original recipe that is Kenyan.
The fine dining night is the first challenge for the contestants, which we call the pressure test. So basically, for the first time, some of these contestants get to work in a professional kitchen. They will prepare a 15-course fine dining menu under the guidance of our judges. They will get to cook in teams. They have never met before. Most of them will be meeting for the first time on the day of the challenge.
The most important thing is teamwork. So if you come there knowing that you are a team, you'll actually succeed. The team that will actually work together and execute the menu that we'll actually give you is the team that will actually win.
The first challenge we had was quite hard, but I had people that were really helping. What I would tell the contestants is that have fun and learn, observe, and then enjoy.
The thing I learned as a chef was taking criticism. Because once you get criticism, you make it sure that next time, before chef takes my food, I should improve where he criticized me.